Hey everyone, how you guys going? Welcome back to my channel. And yes, I am back. I'm back here filming on YouTube, and I'm really excited to actually sit down and film a face-to-face video with you guys. So I'm so glad that you guys are here, and all of those who are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Neetu and I am your weight gain coach. So some of you guys must have noticed that I've been on and off in the past 3 months, and that is purely because I was traveling to India. I was in India for almost 3 months. I only returned last week, and because I was visiting after 3 years, the whole priority was to spend quality family time. So I kind of disconnected myself from social media as well as YouTube, so wasn't filming much, which is the reason why I wasn't delivering much to you guys. But now that I'm back, I am definitely back in action, and I just wanted to give you some updates on what's going on, where we at, and what's next in this video. Now, as I said, I took a little step back when it comes down to, me working out or eating in surplus and those kind of things in the past 3 months time. I'll be very honest, like I may have lost a little bit of weight myself, but that is totally okay because I was prepared for it. I knew that, I won't be able to dedicate much time towards that, and basically I must have just trained for about 15 days in total throughout that 3 months period, which I have no regrets for. But I know that, I have kind of gone a couple of steps back in my own journey, and I'm very much committed now to get back into my routine and commit to my goal that I set for myself for this year. Now, yes, I wasn't very active here on YouTube as well as on Instagram, but my weight gain program was going all nice and strong, and all of my lovely girls have been transforming beautifully. And if you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I was sharing a lot of transformations during this whole time, so that I could keep you guys inspired and motivated, and hopefully that helps you guys keep on moving forward in your own weight gain journeys. Now we are halfway through this year, which means we have another 6 months to pace up when it comes down to reaching our fitness goals that we set for ourselves for this particular year, right? Same thing applies for me as well. I wanted to gain some size this year, but of course I kind of have gone a couple of steps back, but that's okay because I know I'm really going to pace up in the next 6 months and fully commit to my own health and fitness, and take my weight gain program to the next level as well. So stay tuned for more information in that regards, but let's see what's coming next for you guys. Now, the first thing is that I will bring back my YouTube videos once each week, as I was posting every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on any weight gain videos that I'm going to produce from here on, right? We will definitely go and get consistent with posting our videos again, and I will also try and post 2 short videos which are going to be to the point weight gain tips and so on, every Thursday and Saturday as well. So do not miss out on that. I'm not sure if you get any notifications sent for shorts, but if you go to my shorts playlist on my channel, you will be able to definitely find out the new shorts videos that I put up, which are definitely going to come in very, very handy in your weight gain journey. So that's my first promise to you guys. And then the second one is that of course my weight gain program is open to enroll. So if you really want to pace up your weight gain journey just like myself in the second half of this year, then definitely go ahead and submit the form that is there in the description box below of this video, and you sure can join my program where I can customize and guide you personally so that you can produce some growth for yourself, so that you can gain some weight for yourself in the second half of this year. If I talk about myself, then basically for now I've just given myself 2 weeks to get back in routine when it comes down to slowly building that strength back, and getting into the routine of working out at least 5 days a week and so on, and secondly building up that appetite again a little bit, which I've lost of course in the past 3 months, to get back to eating in surplus again and those kind of things. So the first 2 weeks is basically completely focused on that. I'm not putting too much pressure on myself, so just first 2 weeks is just going to be about that, and then after that I'm just going to pick up the pace and start challenging myself from there on. Try out a few more things as well, because of course I wasn't training myself during these 3 months, but the learning didn't stop. I was getting through a lot of content myself as well, what's out there, what's new out there, or things that I personally want to try out as well. So all those things I'm going to try when I pick up the pace in the rest of the year. And third thing is that of course together with YouTube, I'm very much committed towards posting on Instagram. I used to post about I think 3 to 4 times a week on Instagram. I had this weight gain tip series going on there as well, which of course everything wasn't kind of on hold, but yes, I will be bringing all of that stuff back together with all the transformations that I share. So if you don't follow me there, definitely follow me on Instagram so that you can stay inspired and keep on learning, and hopefully those stories and those posts can keep you uplifted even during those low days or tough days that we all have, we all go through. So definitely follow me there so that I can be of a little extra help there in keeping you motivated and inspired. Now on that note, I will be bringing an amazing high protein, super easy, super quick snack recipe next week for you guys. My sister made this for me when I was in India, and she kind of hooked me up to this because I'm all about quick recipes, easy recipes, because I don't like cooking. I hate being in the kitchen. So anything that is quick is where I see my name. So I'm kind of hooked to this recipe, and I filmed this video in India because when she was cooking for me, I filmed it so that I could keep it for myself. But I'm also going to be sharing it with you guys too, so that you guys can try it out and include that in your weight gain food plan too. So again, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so you don't miss out on that video. And of course, there's going to be tons of other videos that I'm going to produce from here on, so that you and we both can gain weight in the second half of this year nice and strong. So I think that was it for the update, but other than that, I hope you guys are doing well. If you're in India, hopefully you're not feeling too hot, because it was very hot when I was there, and hopefully monsoon will arrive and it will start raining for you guys, so it will, the temperature should go down a little bit, and it will ease off the heat. But other than that, stay fit, stay fierce, and stay tuned here as well as on Instagram, because you're gonna see my face around quite a lot now. So anyways, on that note, you have a great day, great week, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys.